this is actually meant to be Carly's video. So yeah, I'm Carly, and I'm not that new to YouTube, but she's sort of new and sort of old.
She's new.
Not new. So
you made a video on Monday,
and we are going to give a shout out for Olly Murs.
We love Olly Murs.
He's the best singer ever.
And yeah, she subscribed to me, subscribe to Olly Murs, subscribe to me, subscribe to anyone to subscribe to.
So please subscribe to us, because if you're
Olly Murs.
Yeah, if you're at Olly Murs,
and if Olly Murs is watching this, we love you.
Yeah,
so much.
So please subscribe, Olly Murs.
Olly Murs. I'm actually getting a poster of Olly Murs.
I might get loads. Oh, One Direction! Right, if you like One Direction, please don't. Oh no.
Or I'll hit your bum. Carly's gonna show you what band you should hate.
So if you can, try and read what this says.
One Direction. Which means that One Direction sucks, so don't like them. And this is what we think about One Direction.
So,
waiting that side of school clothes.
yep, and tomorrow we won't be making a video straight away because we have to do drama.
And I don't
Okay.
we probably won't be making the video at all. I'm a bit breath stink.
So, sorry if this is so laggy because it's not a very good webcam.
No, we're getting a new camera, so hopefully.
Yeah.
I was like, right, go next to my face.
Huh?
I was like, classic thing that you like. I'm gonna pick a random one and you have to put it on. You can choose again if you want. You don't want
I
it.
love this one.
I'm gonna put it in Levy. I love the cat symbol a bit.
Oh, it doesn't take now to this one.
It tastes like love hearts.
Hey.
You know from my video, when you came in they saw you, they saw under your chest. They didn't see you.
Phew.
Poo. Right. Hopefully on our edited one, we're going to watch that in a minute.
Yeah.
Not yet.
I like talking this voice because I'm not like, hi, I'm Carly.
And this is a bye. Bye. Bye.